I'm a bit conflicted about lending my boyfriend a huge sum of money. I am 29, he's 32. We've been together for 6 years, and we still both live with our families. It's very common in my country. I'm currently studying to get my master's degree, while I do some side jobs to earn a bit of money, such as tutoring, babysitting, etc. I have quite a lot of money set aside that comes from my grandparents' inheritance, around 150k euros, which I'm using to pay for university and for extra activities. I always try to be careful not to spend too much, since that sort of money could be used as a down payment for a house, and the remaining could make a good savings account once I move out and start building my financial independence.
If you want to watch part 2, go to the description and see if there is a part 2 or not.
My boyfriend is a lawyer, and he earns quite well. However, his mom bought a cafe and is now behind with payments. She has quite a lot of debts because of it, and he already had to take out a loan from the bank to help his mother out. A few weeks back, he was trying to convince me to buy half of his mother's house so that we could move there once I get my degree, and so that she could pay off the remaining 60k she needs for the cafe. I said I would consider it, but after talking to a solicitor who told me I would have no guarantee whatsoever, I decided I was not going to do it. Now he asked me to lend her 30k, which she would repay with monthly payments of 300 euros. I'm very conflicted.
If you want to watch part 3, go to the description and see if there is a part 3 or not.
When I decided I wasn't going to buy half of her house, he got very angry and called me selfish, greedy, and unreliable. Not even a week goes by and he asks me for more money. I initially said yes, but now I'm starting to regret it. I feel like I'm being used like an ATM. This whole story really rubs me the wrong way. I feel like I've been put in a situation where if I don't lend the money, I'm the bad guy. But if I do, I put myself in a difficult situation, especially considering his mother's debts. I'd have no guarantee I'd get my money back. Am I wrong for being conflicted about lending my boyfriend money? Edit. We would sign a contract and specify the terms. However, when I try to negotiate the terms, as in asking for 500 monthly instead of 300, he says it would be a lot. But wouldn't it be a lot for me to lend 30k? Also, he ventilated the idea of paying me back. I know he's trustworthy. It just feels like I'm being used.